What are you?
Give me some space.
Or what? You're gonna shoot me?
No, sir.
You're gonna shoot me like every other black man you shot?
A routine gate mix-up.
Of course.
I watched the camera.
Sir, you're a liar. You're a liar.
I watched the
You're a liar.
Ends in a fight over rights.
I've asked for a lawyer. You do not get to take anything from me.
Call whatever you want to call.
Can you take my shit?
Sure, absolutely. What would you like me to take?
The 5th of October 2024. Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International Airport. This encounter raises 4 distinct legal questions: community caretaking authority, the use of force standard, protected speech, and the limits of counsel rights. During a field encounter, officers may approach and assist a member of the public without reasonable suspicion of a crime under what courts call the community caretaking doctrine, established in Katie versus Dombrowski, 1973. That authority covers welfare checks and directions, but it does not automatically authorize a seizure.
But it's D, but we're gonna miss it.
It's D, Concourse? What gate? Number?
14.
3, no.
Originally.
D3.
Here it is. You're saying 2 different things. D what?
D3.
D3, what do you have?
Here's the old one.
You have the old one. Apparently they changed the gate number.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yes, we've been over that.
What is your name, sir?
Where are you?
I'm with the police. I'm just trying to help out. I'm not trying to aggravate you, sir. If you're not really noticing, you're on the ground. So that in itself is
Resting. I've been here for.
I want you to rest.
hours.
I want you to rest. But D, I could tell you how to catch the train to D if you wish.
That would be lovely.
Come on. You want to come? Let's all go to D. Thank you for your patience with me, sir. It's in this direction. I want you to take your time. It's this way.
Thank you.
Let's go, ma'am.
No, I don't feel safe.
Okay, well, you don't have to go to D Concourse if
Why
you
are
don't
you not
wish.
doing anything about what I've
Well,
said?
okay, I need you to calm down.
You need me to calm down.
Yes, ma'am. He's going to his flight, D Concourse. Do you want to go on your flight? They can separate you on the plane. You don't have to be together.
But
No
I
worries.
called.
Have a seat for me, sir. Have a seat. Look, he's saying he's staying.
I had.
You could go on your flight. This gentleman said he's staying.
No, my friends live here.
Okay, do you want to catch a flight to... What city is he going to?
We live in California. We live
Okay.
in Los Angeles.
All right, I'm trying to resolve your concern here. The gentleman said he
I
wanted...
have to go home. Nothing to do with her.
All right.
I have work.
Okay, so where do you live, sir?
LA.
All right. And where do you live, ma'am?
She lives.
Los Angeles.
All right, so you both live in LA.
Atlanta. No. Look at her. Look at her.
Sir,
Look at her ID.
Sir, it's okay. We're trying to
Her
resolve
ID.
this.
Yeah, resolve it. Look at
All
her
right.
ID.
You're a little
I have a lease
inebriated.
in California. Thank
I
you
sure
very
am. But look, I'm LA. She's Atlanta.
Gotcha.
Check.
much. I have a lease
Check now.
in California.
Check
All
now.
right. California, I see that.
Correct. Check her ID.
Here's the thing. Calm down, sir. Let her just talk. We'll go back to you back. I'm just trying to figure out what the issue is here, sir.
Bruh. We're gonna do this legally. I live in LA. She doesn't. Check.
I have a
Check
lease
now. Check
in
now.
California.
Let me go ahead and
I
police,
own
sir.
a home.
Have a seat for me, sir.
No,
please.
you're a bad policeman.
Thank you so
Check
much.
her ID.
You can't tell me what to do. That would be
I actually can't.
that would be my
What?
prerogative.
What?
ask her for
What
it.
is the law, sir?
Sir, just
Sir, what is the
relax.
law?
You're
No.
No,
I
no.
will be. Yes,
No.
correct. You cannot
Stop.
tell me what the law is.
Stop, sir.
Wait. What's the
Stop.
law? Tell me. Tell me what law I've broken.
Let me know when you're done.
Oh, you want me to continue? Sure. You're telling
Don't
me
come up on
I
me,
can't
sir.
go.
Don't come
To
up
my
on me.
gate.
I didn't say that.
She
I didn't say that.
lives in LA.
If you wish to go to your gate, go to your
check
gate.
her. What are you?
Give me some space.
Or what? You're gonna shoot me?
No, sir.
You're gonna
just
shoot me
relax.
like every
No.
other black man you shot?
Stop. You see,
What?
That's
or
not-
what?
that's
What? I can
just
say what I want.
upset.
Because
Just
you're a
relax.
fucking.
Just
You're a
relax.
lying.
Stop,
You can't do
sir.
shit to me. Name the lie, bro. Oh, I'm gonna call more people to shoot me. You're a fucking.
Stop. Relax. Relax. Just relax. Just go
What?
to your gate, sir.
Make me.
It's not
Make
a man.
me.
I don't need to
Make
make
me.
you. You can do that.
No. You tried to make me come back here.
No, just
So
relax.
sleeping, right?
Just relax, sir.
Stop touching me.
Don't push
Stop
up on
touching
me. Just relax.
You touched me.
Just relax. You gotta
Who
give us
touched
some
who?
space.
Who touched who?
Just give us some
or
space.
what?
No.
Or what?
That's not what it is. Just relax.
Do it again. Stop, sir. Don't come up on me. Do it again. Do it again. Don't do that. Do it again.
What's going on?
This little of a cop, wannabe, came up with me while I was sleeping, started punching me, pushing me.
I didn't do any of that.
Check your cam. Check your cam. Who touched who? Who touched who? Who put their hands like that?
3716.
Who put their hands like that on me? That was that little.
Yo, stop,
No,
stop,
take the
man.
cam off. Take the
I'm
cam
with
off.
37.
Let's fight. Let's fight. Take the
No,
cam off.
No, don't do that.
Yo,
We want you to go to your gate.
man, let's go. Let's go.
Take it off.
Let's go. Let's go.
Excuse me.
Yo, stop.
Don't
Stop.
touch me.
You hear me?
Don't
Stop.
touch- I
Do you hear
didn't-
me? Do you
No,
hear me?
incorrect.
Do you hear me?
Incorrect.
Stop it.
Incorrect.
Stop.
Incorrect.
Stop. Stop.
Incorrect.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Name the law. Name the law. Name the law.
Stop it.
Name the law. Name the law I broke.
Put your hands behind your back, man. Stop resisting, bro. Stop it. Stop. Can you stop?
Can I? Can you? Hey, man. Why are you trying to beat me? Why? Why?
Please. Please stop.
Let them hurt me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
16.
You're gonna break my arm.
Wrong resisting.
Hey, for real, man. You're gonna break. Please stop, please, please. Ow! I said stop, please. Please, you're gonna hurt me for real, man. Hey, I let go, please.
So you let go. You let go.
Bro, I didn't hurt you. Did I hurt you? Yes or no? You're a liar, sir. Wait. Hey, let's. Hey, wait. I should hurt you.
27, let me have your car for date Tango 7.
Once physical force is used, the analysis shifts entirely to the Fourth Amendment reasonableness standard. Graham v. Connor, 1989, requires that force that be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer, on the scene, not with hindsight. Courts weigh three factors under Graham: the severity of the suspected offense, whether the person poses an immediate threat, and whether they are actively resisting or attempting to flee. Here, physical resistance and closing distance on an officer after repeated verbal commands support a finding that the force used was proportionate. Under Georgia law, Code Section 16-10-24 defines obstruction of a law enforcement officer. Simple obstruction, meaning nonviolent resistance to lawful commands, is a misdemeanor under subsection A. Obstruction that involves offering or doing violence elevates the charge to a felony under subsection B.
Calm down, sir. Calm down.
Tell them on my shoulder, please.
Calm down.
It really hurts. You know on my shoulder. Sir, please look at my... Wait for me. Ow! Ow!
Where's Jalen?
Where you look at my shoulder.
Okay, ma'am, come with us. This is his shoe. I got the shoe. You don't want a shoe? Okay, he's going to the precinct. You're gonna catch your flight?
I'm going to my mom.
Okay, all right.
You gotta give us something.
Give us something.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Continue to fall to the floor.
Okay, stay on the floor.
Please look. Please look. Please look. Look at my shoulder.
He's just trying to press buttons.
Are you going to continue to drop to the floor?
You keep picking me up that way, sir. Yes. Look, please. I had a super spinatus, and please, I keep telling you.
Just relax.
Not with you.
Don't drop to the floor. Like
you ready? We're just gonna help you.
I told you to stop multiple times.
Come on, we're gonna help you. You ready?
Right now. Don't help me.
We're gonna. Okay, well then get up.
Okay, well get up then.
You got 20 seconds. If not, we help you.
No, you don't have time to show us anything. Go ahead and get up,
That
sir.
is a lie.
Sir, can you get up, please?
He's got 10 seconds.
Please call your supervisor. Please call your supervisor.
Enough said. I'm gonna call supervisor.
You could kind of wiggle onto the chair. It won't move.
My issue is my shoulder, sir.
It's okay, sir. Just one step at a time. There you go. There you go.
Dude, you guys think it's
Just
funny?
no. Nobody's laughing. Nobody's
If you
laughing.
looked at my surgeries, it's real.
Have a seat. Okay. Push all the way back.
I'm not fighting you, sir.
Push back. I'm gonna lower the arm. There you go. We're gonna go now. I'm gonna put the backpack on your. I'm gonna put the backpack on you, on your lap. Okay?
Sir.
Can I get the backpack, sir?
Hey, Sarge is en route.
Okay, I heard her. Tango. Make sure she goes to Tango 10.
Yeah,
She said
at
Tango
10.
2?
No, she's at 10.
Okay. Here it is. Cool? Check it out. I'm even going to secure it for you. Look at that.
Bro, you're playing me.
Nobody's
sir.
playing with you.
You're playing me, sir.
Nobody's playing with you.
Look, can you look?
Verbal criticism and profanity directed at officers occupy a separate legal category entirely. City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, holds that courts must tolerate a significant degree of verbal criticism, including profanity, toward police. Words alone, without an accompanying physical act, generally cannot justify an arrest. Allegations of bias made during an encounter are likewise protected speech and carry no independent legal weight, absent supporting evidence. Repeated demands for an attorney during a field encounter do not trigger Miranda protections, since Miranda applies only to custodial interrogation. An officer directing a subject or asking for identification is not interrogation in the constitutional sense. The right to remain silent still applies and may be invoked at any time.
Of course.
Watch the camera.
Sir, you're a liar. You're a liar.
I watched the
You're a
camera.
liar, sir. He literally pulled my shoulder, and I told him I had an injury multiple times. Wait.
Well, if you have an injury, you
This
should be
one.
attacking officers.
Ma'am, I didn't attack them. Not once. Not once. Show me one incident where I threw a punch or
You
anything.
have to throw a punch. You can make gestures.
Oh, got
You
it.
can go at
Oh,
somebody
you're
like
one
that.
of those.
No, I'm not one of those.
No, you're one of those kind of liars.
When I have three
Got it.
officers
I'm
tied
glad I'm
on
at
one
Georgia.
person, I got a
I'm
problem
so
with that.
glad I'm in Georgia.
Yeah. Welcome to Georgia.
Yeah, welcome to the lying state of. I hate. I came home. I came home with my girlfriend who was cheating on me with everyone, and now I can't go home. I don't.
You will
get it.
eventually go home, sir.
I just want to go home.
You will
I
eventually
didn't
go home.
do anything. I just want to go. She literally was whoring, man. I sucked, man. I can prove it. I will show you pictures, man. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Please, do you have evidence for me breaking the law? Sir, please, do you have any evidence? I didn't do anything. I just want to go home.
Gotta decompress a little. Relax.
Let me show you, please.
You'll show me in the precinct.
What does that help? I didn't go home.
You will eventually.
But then I gotta pay for it for it.
he will be placed delicately inside the cell.
Absolutely.
That is a liar. That is a liar.
Focus
He
on
hurt
me.
me.
Focus
He
on
hurt
me.
me so many times.
Focus on me.
I need him. Please don't
Focus on me. Focus on me.
Please don't let him touch me.
No, I won't let him. Focus on me. Watch your feet. I told you to keep your feet up.
No, I told.
Keep
What's
your
your
shoes
name,
on.
sir?
Keep your shoes on.
I don't have the
Sir,
camera,
sir, I'm going to have you get up and we're going inside the cell.
Please look. Please
Come on,
look,
come
sir.
on. Look.
Please.
What?
What's that?
It's your ankle.
No. Come on. Don't be.
This is not about being. You're telling me what it is.
What is it?
Looks like an ankle to me, sir.
And it's a lawyer multiple times. I've asked for a lawyer. You do not get to take anything from it.
Call wherever you want to call.
Can you take my shit?
Sure, absolutely. What would you like for me to
Oh,
take?
I'm sure you would love to, sir.
Sir, behave
You
yourself.
already took my.
His credentials are in his wallet. His wallet is in his front pocket.
What else? Sir, what else?
But
What
nobody
else?
got-
Do you want to do it again? Hopping in.
All right, let him hop, let him hop.
Both let go.
Let him
please.
stand
Oh,
up,
hopping
stand
on.
up, stand
Okay,
up.
go ahead and hop.
I literally
Let him go, let him go.
I
Because he ain't do anything, but I'm just
I am.
gonna tell you.
I am. Sorry, just for my surgery. Jesus Christ.
You take the cuff off? No.
You want me to have you take them cuffs off of you?
Ma'am, I haven't fought anybody.
No? No,
No?
I'm taking it off you.
Cool. Oh, okay. He complained. I, Officer Campbell, will adjust the cuffs. They're gonna stay on, but you complain about them being tight. So I'll adjust.
Sir,
want him in the
sir,
front.
anybody
No,
but you.
Anybody but me, no problem.
No,
He did
anybody but
complain
you.
about the
Anybody
cuffs
but
being
you.
tight.
I fixed it.
Anybody but you.
He already fixed your cuffs.
Grading. The responding officers earn a B-. Verbal de-escalation was attempted before any physical control, and the force used aligns with Graham's proportionality standard. Overlapping commands from multiple officers, however, reduce clarity and weaken the legal record. The male subject earns a D. His verbal criticism was protected, but physical resistance to lawful commands independently satisfies Georgia's obstruction statute. The female companion earns a C+. No violence or profanity, but inconsistent statements about residency added confusion to the encounter. Lessons learned. Cursing at police is legal. Refusing to create distance when ordered is not. A single officer giving clear commands protects everyone better than several giving conflicting ones. Asking for a lawyer during a stop is smart, but it does not pause an encounter. Compliance first, legal challenge later, remains the safest course of action. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.